Hello, and welcome to the AssistFlow training session for your AI-powered web sales representative and customer service assistant. In this training, we will demonstrate step-by-step how to integrate AssistFlow into your website, how to manage it from the admin panel, and how to provide your customers with 24/7 seamless service across all channels. 1. Installation. Adding the widget script. First, copy and paste the provided widget code right before the tag on your website. Once you add this code, a chatbot button will appear at the bottom right corner of your site. Visitors can simply click this icon to start interacting with the chatbot. After this single setup, any updates you make in the management panel will instantly reflect on the chatbot. This means you can manage and update content, product information, delivery times, return policies, etc., without any additional deployment steps. 2. Chatbot features and voice assistant. The chatbot is available 24/7, trained with your company data, and can quickly respond to product inquiries, pricing questions, delivery times, or return policies. This immediate assistance enhances customer satisfaction and keeps your sales and support active at all times. Additionally, by clicking the phone icon within the chatbot window, users can switch to the Voice AI Assistant. This voice-enabled assistant provides all the same services with spoken commands. Thanks to its advanced natural language understanding, it can serve your customers around the clock, ensuring a more accessible and interactive experience. 3. Live support integration. Panel.assistflow.ai. If a customer wants to speak with a live representative, the chatbot detects this request and attempts to connect them to an available live support agent. You can easily configure and manage your support team and their availability in the panel.assistflow.ai management panel. If no live agent is available, the chatbot seamlessly resumes the conversation, continuing to assist and guide the customer. 4. Creating and managing support tickets. Desk.assistflow.ai. If an issue can't be resolved by the chatbot or a live agent, the chatbot collects the necessary details and creates a support ticket. This ticket is sent to the central support management system at desk.assistflow.ai. Here, different departments within your company can collaborate to resolve the issue. Once the issue is resolved, you can send an update to the customer via both SMS and email. This system effectively manages not only chatbot requests, but also phone, email, and any other support channel in one centralized location. 5. Social media and other channel integrations. You can extend the services you offer on your website to various social media and communication platforms. Within the panel.assistflow.ai management panel, navigate to the Channels section to easily integrate Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp, Telegram, Discord, email, and voice channels. This enables you to deliver the same high-quality service you provide on your website across all your social media platforms, meeting customers wherever they prefer to engage. 6. Flexibility and custom development. API integrations. AssistFlow can be tailored to your company's needs. By integrating APIs, you can connect inventory data, order statuses, customer account details, and more directly to the chatbot. This empowers the chatbot and voice assistant to provide instant data-driven responses to your customers' inquiries. You can also implement custom developments to further enhance the capabilities, ensuring the platform grows and adapts to your business requirements. 7. Management panel. Overview. The panel.assistflow.ai dashboard is where you design conversation flows, create FAQ lists, manage your live support team, monitor performance metrics, and generate reports. Any adjustments you make here are immediately reflected across all integrated channels. 8. Conclusion. In this training, we covered everything from integrating AssistFlow into your website to leveraging the voice assistant feature, managing live support, and setting up various social media channels. With these capabilities, you can offer customers round-the-clock, effortless access to the information and help they need, regardless of the platform they use. This results in increased customer satisfaction, reduced operational workload, and greater overall efficiency. Thank you for participating in this training. If you have any questions, our support team is ready to help. You are now equipped to set a new standard for customer experience, offering a multi-channel, voice-enabled and intelligent support system with AssistFlow. Good luck!